Good morning, first graders. Today we're going to be working on our math test here. It is test number 30, so go ahead and pause the video if you need to go grab this paper. But we'll start on number 1 with everybody's finger on box A. So for box A, we have 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Box B, we have 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. Box C, we have 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. Box D, we have 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. Box E, we have 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. And box F, 12 minus 2. Again, it's 12 minus 2. And then we'll move on here to number 2. It's just asking you to set the minute hand. The hard job of setting the hour hand is already done for you. And for number 3, mark under the dot, under the digit, in the place your teacher says. So for the first one, 532, I would like you to mark in the bubble in the tens place. What number is in the tens place? And for the next one, 78, could you mark the bubble for the number that is in the ones place? The number that is in the ones place. And for the next one, the number is 100. Right here. The number is 100. Could you mark the bubble for the number that is in the tens place? In the tens place. What bubble is in the tens place of 100? And for the very last one, the number is 263. Could you mark the bubble for the number that is in the hundreds place? What number is in the hundreds place for 263? And then we'll move on to number 4. We have a couple story problems here. I'll read them for you. Tanya saw 7 spotted eggs and 6 pale green eggs. How many eggs did she see all together? So we want to know how many eggs she saw all together. So 7 spotted eggs and 6 pale green eggs. How many did she see all together? And for number 4, Alex spent for the second part of number 4, Alex spent $12 at the spring fair. Tina spent $4. How many more dollars did Alex spend than Tina? What was the difference between how much they spent? So Alex spent $12 at the spring fair. Tina spent $4. How many more dollars did Alex spend than Tina? We want to know the difference between the two. And for number 5, you're just going to count by tens. They gave you the first number of 15 and they gave you the last number of 65, but you just count by tens to get the digits in the middle. And on the back side, it just says write the sums and differences. You have 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. And for number 7, mark the dot to show how many cents. So you're just going to count up the cents that they have there. So you'll count this row here and mark your answer. And you'll count this row here and mark your answer. And remember, if you don't see your answer listed, you can fill in the bubble for NH, which means not here. And for number 8, they've just asked you to do a couple addition and subtraction problems. And at the very bottom here, number 9, you're going to write your greater than or less than sign. And remember remember our example of our alligator and our beaver friend and our little rat friend. So remember, they were super hungry, so they're eating the bigger number. And that's it for your math test. Let us know if you have any questions.